Hello everyone, this is a quick video on how to keep safe on our roads by using roundabouts and potentially stop yourself from failing your driving test if you get a little bit lost. So we're going to get off and we're going to get onto a few roundabouts and I'll show you what to do. So let's say you're on your driving test and you've got a little bit stressed and you forgot where to go. So especially if you're going right at the roundabout, what you can do is just make a full loop around the roundabout and come off where you want, or come off in the direction. We've got a situation now on the roundabout, a few buckets in the road there. A few gloves as well from that van, don't know how they've fallen out. So let's say now we're in the right hand lane and we're going right at the roundabout. And we forgot which way to go. So what we can do is, let's say we're coming round and this is the exit we should have been taking, but we miss it. So let's just stay on the roundabout and keep going all the way round. So now this is where we came on. So potentially now we can come off wherever we want. We come all the way round, and as long as we come off safely, we haven't done anything wrong on the roundabout. Just like that. So let's go round again. So we're doing a full loop on this roundabout. So coming up to this roundabout again, we're going to go right and we're going to come all the way round and back down the other side. And for some reason we haven't checked our signs, we've got a little bit lost. So as we're going right, as we're in the middle of the roundabout, we can potentially now just go round again and use the roundabout and come off wherever we want, as we've done a full loop around the roundabout. Remember, you can only do this if you're going right and you're on the inside of the roundabout doing a full loop around it. So that's basically it. So if you get lost, come up to a roundabout, do a right, do a full loop around it, and you can come off then wherever you want. Just keep it under control. Good mirror checks before coming off. Keep your position. Go all the way round and then find your exit. And that can potentially save you from failing your test. So what you don't want to do is guess and then swerve off the roundabout at an exit you shouldn't have taken.